on. All right, send it.
What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm working on my beautiful 1978 Chevy Camaro I picked up, and unfortunately when I was driving it, I wiped out the camshaft lobe and some of the lifters. So in this video, what you're going to see is me installing and breaking in a new camshaft, and it not going to plan. But enjoy the video, guys, and please like, subscribe, and comment. That way my videos could get out in the algorithm.
Holding it. Okay, yeah, you are. Okay.
So this is the part when I started hearing a weird rattle coming from the engine bay. So I checked the oil pressure gauge and it's reading 30 at 2500 RPM, but it was reading 50. So the oil pressure dropped. I let it go down to idle and I see that it has 0 oil pressure. Come to find out, my brand new oil filter collapsed, causing permanent damage to my engine.
Struggling to go up. It's just dropping. That's good. I don't like that clocking noise though. I thought it was more just like bouncing. It could be. I'm just trying to build it right now. So 2 grand, 25. We got about 40 psi of oil pressure, so the oil's pressure's good. Yeah, it's been 4 minutes. 26 more to go. This is scary. Oh, man. Yeah.
Alright, so to finish things up here, basically, we removed the oil filter, put on a different one, and it immediately had oil pressure again. So that's how we knew it was the oil filter that caused the oil pressure failure. And now the car is kind of just sitting dormant while I fix up the Firebird, and I'm waiting to stumble across a nice 350. because it's got a 305 in it, and I'm gonna put that in and hopefully take you guys along for the ride with me. But if you enjoyed this video, please just like and subscribe, comment, and let me know what you guys would like to see with the car.